Discover your dream lifestyle in this charming and affordable Cleveland home for just $179,000. The main bedroom is a peaceful retreat, a beautiful accent wall. This third bedroom makes a perfect nursery, office, or creative space for you. A second spacious bedroom offers comfort. A bright central hallway connects every room with its light wooden flooring. The updated bathroom is filled with bright, clean, natural light. A modern vanity here features a sleek vessel sink. Picture gatherings in this open layout. The living space flows seamlessly into the updated and modern kitchen area. The kitchen is wonderfully bright, open, and incredibly functional for everyday life. White cabinetry and dark countertops create a beautiful, timeless, and stylish contrast. The large central island offers you extra prep space. Host your friends and your family with ease. Stainless steel appliances complete this wonderfully modern and efficient cooking space. A gorgeous gold faucet adds some elegance. The subway tile backsplash brings a classic and clean look. This amazing kitchen has tons of storage and ample counter space for you. Ready to see this Cleveland gem? Contact Tammy Rice with eXp Realty to schedule a tour.